Alright, what's going on, everybody? Happy New Year. I'm working on the 1UZ again, off camera. I pulled the transmission, I changed the rear main seal, and I got it on an engine stand now. And I started to put the water pump and timing belt on, and then I decided that I actually want to reseal the oil pump and the oil pan and the lower pan. So I never torqued this down. I'm just going to take this off again, take all this off so I can reseal this oil pump. The first thing I got to do is just drain the oil, and then we'll flip the motor over so we can start taking everything apart. And it's much easier to do this on a stand because I'll just turn the motor upside down. Also, I gotta set the timing mark back up to the top, so I'm gonna try to spin it over. Hopefully there's no interference. The motor is interference, but hopefully it doesn't hit anything. If it feels any type of resistance, I'm just gonna stop, and I might have to take the valve cover off and reset everything on this side. This side is on point pretty much, so we'll see. Let's start by draining the oil. Alright, oil pump is off, pickup tube, oil pan, everything's off. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up now. Scrape all this old gasket off. Stuff's donezo. Clean all the surfaces. Yeah, definitely don't want this going in the motor, so gotta be careful taking it off. But that's that. We'll clean this up fully and then take a look. Just a simple V8, nothing too spectacular. But I have all the seals, I have everything to close this thing back up. I just need to scrape away and get this nice and beautiful again. I'll start by cleaning the oil pump and just cleaning everything else off. The seal on the oil pump was still kind of soft, which is good, but this has likely never been done in the life of this motor. Has like 160k on it, so while it's out, you know, I'm still just waiting to get the motor fixed. But I mean, not the motor, the actual car fixed. Let's just reseal everything on this motor. That's the idea. Here's the O-ring for the oil pump. Now I can grab the oil pump. Pop out the old crank seal now. Brand new OEM going in. All right. I'll get the water pump put back on, fresh seal.
Side with this wacky looking bolt. Make sure you don't forget to put the washer on the back side of this pulley like that. Just pull it up and it's torqued to 25 foot-pounds. And same thing, the other pulley right here, also torqued to 25. It is a 14 mil. So now we can go ahead and just loosely mount our timing belt.
Alright, here we are. Timing belt is ready to be pulled. Look, top timing mark, arrow to the notch, come down here, the notch, the arrow to the dot, come down here. Mind you, this side has more tension. I haven't pulled the pin yet. We have these two lines that line up with the hole. The arrow that says crankshaft to the dot here on the crank, and then the crank has a notch. It's very hard to see, but there's a dot and there's a notch on the cog of the wheel. And now the moment of truth. That's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap the video here. We're fully resealed on the oil pan, the oil seal, water pump, timing belt. The full job is pretty much done. The only thing I'm going to do next is, of course, put all the covers back on, put the sensors back on. I have miscellaneous seals like for the oil pump, the oil filter pickup seal. And the sensor for the oil level, I have the seal for that. So it's 11 o'clock, it's New Year's Day. I hope everybody has a good New Year, and thanks for watching.